Hi. Okay, let's go this quick unboxing and move some more data. Okay, so I have here a Anker Power Core Plus, which is 10,050 milliamp hour and probably 3 cells, 186,500 inside, 3 or maybe 4. I'm not sure. I think it is 3 probably, because one cell is about 3,400 if it is Panasonic cell. So I guess they're using Panasonic cell by what I've seen on the net, and I will explain a little about this one. So this is the power bank Anker, which is a good manufacturer with reliability and good product, and they are known to be high-end manufacturers. Okay, so I have here the power bank. What is so special about this one is that it is support quick charging, which is scaling the voltage up, which I don't know how they are doing. I know this is a Qualcomm chip design, and by this message you can charge your phone almost 80% faster. Okay, so I have here my Galaxy 8 that supports the quick charging, and the quick charging enable very fast charging. Okay, so I will bring some equipment that will measure the current and the voltage, and then we will continue. Okay, so I brought my USB dongles that can measure voltage and current, so we will be able to see what is going on when connecting this battery to this phone. So eventually I got it half charge. You can see by the LEDs, half of the LEDs, meaning it is half charge. It is calling IQ Plus. This is the input, this is the output. By the way, first time I see USB in a green. Okay, so if you can see here, I will read out what is written. Capacity, of course, 10,050 milliamperes, and then 5 volt 2 amp, and then quick charge 3. Okay, this is the technology number. Input 5 till 7 volt 2.1 amp, and then 5 to 9, which is 1.6 amp, and then 9 to 12 volts, which is 1.25 amp. This is, by the way, the quick charge input, and the output can be 5 to 6 volt 3 amp, which is a lot, 6 to 9 2 amp, and 9 to 12 1.5 amp, which means that it also support input of high voltage, not just output, but also in the input side. And now what I will do, connect this dongle, and as you can see, the default is always 5 volts. Okay, so it is starting upon power up at 5 volt, and then hopefully it will recognize the phone. I will try with the cables that came with the Anker, and we will see what is happening. So I can't, because this cable is not suitable for Galaxy 8, which is a Type-C connector, so I will connect the original cables that came with this phone, and let's see what is going on the charge side. Eventually I don't see it is going up to fast charge. Why is that? Maybe I need to do another press. What is saying? Read the fucking manual. But before I'm trying to read the manual, I can see that it is not moving to high voltage. What I will try to do is power off the phone, maybe upon connecting it will come to fast charge. And yes, it is. Okay, so when I powered off the phone, you can see that the voltage is 9 volts, and it is also marked on the phone as fast charge, and the current is 1.4 amp. So I had to shut off my phone. This is strange, because I would think that this will be not just when powering off the phone. And you can see the power is 10.93 watt, which is of course the multiplication of the U and the I. So you can see the actual power out. Okay, so next thing that I want to do is to try to understand how does this go up from 5 volt to 9 volt, which means what is the trigger. There has to be some communication between the device that is connected and the power bank. So I will try later to connect scope and do some debug and try to understand how to get out of it 12 volt if I'm not connected to phone. If I just want the 12 volt, let's say, as power supply for something, I will try to do it and hopefully can get to some understanding. And that's all for now, folks. So bye bye.